In this video, we're gonna talk about product pages and how to design them in a way that's gonna increase the sales of your store. What's up guys? My name is Ivizu, and if you're interested in Shopify dropshipping, personal branding, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm documenting my whole journey from the complete start. Alright, let's not waste any more time and let's jump right into the laptop so I can show you the best product page setup for your store. Alright, let's go into product page design. So this is High Bargains. This is not my store. It's getting about 200,000 views per month. So I think this store is making quite a lot of money. I think it could be maybe from 50K to up to 300K. It all depends on their upsell strategy, their conversion rate, and so on. But let's go right into the product page design. So what I like is they have a sale tag. Always when you're advertising a product, I would add like a sale. But maybe 63% is too much for me. I usually do like 40%, somewhere around that, because if the sale is too high, it's kind of hard to believe. Yeah. So you're kind of losing a little bit of the trust factor. They also have the Recart app. I would get rid of this because of GDPR, you're not allowed to have this pre-ticket box anymore. So I would just get rid of that. And below add to cart, I would have this trust badge. This is very, very important. It really helps with the conversion rate. And yeah, I would use something like this because this doesn't look spammy. Like there are a lot of trust badges on like Google Images, and those like are in the neon colors, and it doesn't even look like it fits your store. So I would get rid of those. There's also like Harify app. I'm not a big fan of that because it kind of looks spammy to me, and it kind of can also cause like a loss of trust factor as well. So yeah, I wouldn't add that. Like if you want to like have a countdown timer, a good countdown timer is good for like the bar, like up here you can say like store-wide sale for like 1 day only, like for like the next 23 hours, and have a countdown or something, because this is something that a lot of stores do, but there are not many like legit stores that have like a countdown timer for an exact product. So I would get rid of that. Yeah, the video is great, but I would start like after like ad card, the trust badge, I would start with a big headline. So you should have like a big headline, talk about the main benefit, or a question that talks about like pain point. And after that, I would have like 2 to 3 sentences talking about a pain point or the benefit. And as you can see here, the text is just with no bold. So I would add bold to the text. For example, like 100% safe, put it into bold. Also like fits all sizes, I would put it into bold so people can instantly see the key benefits. The next thing is bullet points. Those are great bullet points. I would add bullet points talking about the benefits and maybe even some features, but mainly focus on the benefits that the customer is going to get. After that, I would add either a video, or even better, you could add like a GIF. Alright, so the audio cut out, so I'm redoing this section again. So talking about GIFs, I first learned about GIFs in product pages through Kickstarter. As you can see, like the GIFs are very good for like demonstrating how to use the product or to show the main feature or benefit of the product. And what I like about GIFs is that with like a video, the video could take your customer out of your product page to YouTube or something like that. But if you have the GIF, it doesn't take your customer somewhere else, and also your customer doesn't have to click on the video to see the video, right? Because the GIF, it just auto plays and you can see it instantly. So that's very, very useful. What I also like is these kind of pictures in the description. it shows like the main feature or benefit as well. Or like if you go up here, you can see this one, this picture. So this picture shows about like the major pain points, so you can have those as well. But make sure to use tinypng.com to compress the size of the picture so it doesn't slow down your store. Okay, so moving on with this, what I really like is this update. It just gives scarcity. It tells people, okay, we're running low on stock, buy before it's gone. That's very good. There are a lot of product pictures. I would maybe use like 1 or 2 picture and maybe 1 GIF, like maximum. You don't want to slow down your product page. What I also like is at the end of the description, there is buy with confidence. So they say like they have best customer support, but what I would claim is, what I would say is that you offer 100% money back guarantee for like 30 to 60 days. That really helps with your conversion rate. A lot of people will trust you more and they will not be scared to buy. And after that, what I would add is like another trust badge with payment methods. And also at the end of the description, you want to have like a 1 sentence that is call to action. So you can say like, start having your baby sleep anywhere, or like just say like something about like the benefit of the product, like start having this issue solved today by buying this product. So you really don't want to forget about the call to action at the end of the description, so people don't forget to buy your product as well. And after that, you could use, I wouldn't use this app. I would use Frequently Bought Together. I like that app more. And yeah, that also, like the Frequently Bought Together app got me some sales. And yeah, that's great. Like I had like a over $50 sale from a product that would normally just give me like a $27 or $28 sale. So this really boosted my average order value. After that, I would have like reviews, but not the text reviews. Use the Loox app. It's Loox reviews. This app is really great because you can use picture reviews on your store. This really helps with your conversion rate. But what I would do is I would really handpick those reviews. So go on a few, like the few sellers on AliExpress, and find the best photo reviews. Like with like a good review, like you gotta make sure that it doesn't have any typos, no bad English, and that the review really helps to sell your product. Okay, so it has to be a good picture and good review, like good review text as well. And yeah, after that, I think that's it. Like that's all you need. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Like in the future, like once I learn more about this, once I have tested more product pages, I will let you know what is the most high converting. But this is probably, I think this is like one of the best, like the thing that I said right now, this is the best setup for a store product page. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing some funnels. So once I get more experience with that, I'm gonna share some ideas with that as well. Quick update, guys. So my store has been paused for about a week, and I'm gonna be relaunching it very soon. So stay tuned for this. Thanks for watching till the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe down below. If you have any Shopify friends that are newbies, make sure to share my videos or share my YouTube channel. I think it's gonna really help them as well. Yeah, if you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comment section as well. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.